Welcome to this week's video. Today we're changing the oil on a 2010 Honda Civic. For this, you're going to need your oil drain pan, some ramps, 4 quarts of 0W20. We're using AMSOIL. I'm using a OEM filter. I've also got some drain plug gaskets, which you may need, 17mm wrench or socket, some oil filter pliers, and a funnel. And let's get started. First, remove your oil fill cap. So going under the center of the vehicle, on the passenger side, you'll see your oil filter. Directly behind that, you'll see your oil drain bolt, but be careful not to remove the motor mount bolt, which is also 17mm. Next, you'll want to remove your oil filter. Yours might be tighter, and you'll need your oil filter pliers to loosen it, but just let it drain out, and then we'll replace it. So I'm opening up the new OEM filter, and I'm going to put a little bit of oil just on the O-ring to make sure that it doesn't seize or get stuck the next time I change the oil. After that, you can go ahead and install your new oil filter. And remember, just 3/4 to 1 full turn is all you need to make sure it's tight. If you're using an aftermarket filter, yours won't come with this, but since I'm using OEM, they gave me a new drain plug gasket, which I'm going to remove now in preparation for taking the drain bolt out. Now, using your 17mm socket, remove the drain bolt. Something that stuck out to me was that this drain bolt didn't actually have a crush washer on it. The oil pan didn't either, so I made sure to install a new one before reinstalling it. After your oil is drained out, reinstall the drain plug with your crush washer and tighten it down. Now back on top, add 4 quarts of 0W20 to the engine. The last thing before we go inside is to reinstall the fill cap. Now once you're inside, go over to the select reset button and you're going to push this in and hold it. It takes about 10 seconds and the entire display will start to blink. Once it's started to blink, you can continue holding it and then it will say oil life reset to 100%. That's all you need to know in order to change your oil in a 2010 Honda Civic with the R18 engine. Thanks for watching. See you next time.